Okay, before we set off, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger. First of all, we go to settings, then onto Bluetooth, then we're watching out at the bottom, over to the system. It's on navigation at the moment, but whatever, we click home, brings up the menu at the bottom, click phone, pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So Ford Ranger, select. Thinking
Confirm
about
that
it.
The pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It's generated a random pin, so pair and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features
So
while
there
your
you go.
vehicle is in motion.
Ford Ranger connected. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro connected successfully. Automatic contact download. Finish. So saying it don't have access to text, but that doesn't matter to me. So that's it. That's how you pair your mobile. Now also, if you go to your music, here we go. You'll see at the bottom there. I've just gone onto iTunes. It's showing Ford Ranger at the bottom. There's a tick next to it. That means anything, any audio that plays on this mobile will come through the speakers if you have it set up right here. So I'm going to click play, turn it up, we'll go over to the system, we want audio, onto audio. That's on the radio at the moment, so what you need to do now is click on sources and then click on the phone. That's it. If I turn this up now, there you go, that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from a Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger. So from any screen, we go to settings, you see there Bluetooth, we'll go to Bluetooth, you've got add Bluetooth device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found. Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found. Select one of the devices found by sync. Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device. For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Right, well, the lights have changed here. Sorry, the level crossing's just gone up, so we can get out. But I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger. So from any screen, we'll just go to home, then we go to settings, then we go to Bluetooth, add Bluetooth device, view devices. You'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click on that, brings another screen up, delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it, gone. That's how you do it. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Also, the great thing with this system is if you've got your charging lead, plug your charging lead into one of these ports at the bottom here. I've got that the right way around, which of course I haven't. So I'll plug that in, plug this in, and if you just wait 1 second, you'll see their CarPlay's come up. Low fuel fan station. So CarPlay. This is a brilliant system. You can do whatever you want to do while you're driving. Don't have to take your hand off the steering wheel. Use the voice control. Where's the voice control? Our voice control's there. So we'll get going. Just wait for this car to go by. Very, very handy vehicles, these pickups. Loads of room in the back, and whatever you've got in the back, of course, unlike a van where anything that you've got in the back that smells comes right the way through to the cabin usually, unless there's a bulkhead. This is right in the back and out of the way in the fresh air with the roller shutter on the back. So back to here. Best system ever, far better than just Bluetooth. You want to make a phone call, if you click the voice activation for a couple of seconds, you'll see the Siri baseball come up, and then just say what you want to do. Call Barry.
Did you mean Barry? iPhone.
Yes.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Of course, it's engaged because my phone's there and I'm dialing myself. But that's how easy it is to do. Other great things. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm testing the Apple Carplay in a Ford Ranger. It's really good.
It says, I'm testing the Apple CarPlay in a Ford Ranger. It's really good. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
So it sent the message automatically. I didn't have to touch anything. The only reason I touched the screen was so that you would be able to see the one come up there. So it's come up. You want to know your messages. You're driving. You can't touch your phone. So again, read messages.
Barry said I'm testing the Apple CarPlay in a Ford Ranger. It's really good. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So there you go. So, and everything else, audio books, right? For instance, if I go across there, Audible, there you go, Audible, listening to the latest Jack Reacher book, Lee Child.
The surviving scientists.
There you
I
go.
don't think so.
So we'll
This is
just
the
click
work
that.
one.
But you've got WhatsApp, navigation, voice activation for 2 seconds. Navigate to Grosvenor Garage at Higher Walton.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
That's actually showing Chorley Road. That's our old address.
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage.
It's obviously not changed yet.
In a quarter of a mile, bear right onto Station Road.
Right. Cancel directions.
Ending navigation.
Navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Higher Walton.
You see there it says go, but it will, if you don't do anything,
Starting route to PR5.
it will automatically go. It's a fantastic system. Again,
320 yards, turn right.
end navigation.
To do that, you'll need to be online.
Cancel directions,
Ending navigation.
which is what I said in the first place. And again, shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
Oh, Little Red Corvette. Oh, that's good. Shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
So fantastic system. Right, back to the car.